right, I think I'm ready for stone. So this spot in the driveway was always low. It always held water right here because... All right, so let's first beef up that road bed just a little. There's enough fall from up there that I could add, an inch or two here, get that packed in, and then we're gonna start the 3-inch over there. All right, so now I'm going to start the 3-inch. I think I'm going to take that road gravel and come out about another 5 or 6 feet, because we were getting some of them 3-inch mixed into the driveway, and I don't want that. So I'll probably add a little bit more here of the packing dust, if you will, the CA6, and then right around here I'm going to start the 3-inch. Alright, I got my second lane done now. It's all pitched nice. So right here I'm going to start with the 3-inch. And my goal is to get the 3-inch. I don't have enough clean to do this whole thing. I wish I did, but I don't. So I'm going to get the 3-inch down, and then I'm going to move that junk out of the way where I get the 3-inch, and then I'll work on that other half. really skimping on the rock because I don't have much left. I have maybe 2 bucketfuls left. All right, so here's the after look for now. I think I got this pitch good enough where it'll keep draining. We'll find out after a couple rains. And I'm trying to save some of the small gravel because I got patches along the big driveway to fix. And I got a little bit left of the 3-inch. And so I got it covered. I mean, it's skimpy. I wish I had more gravel, but for what this is, it'll work out fine. So I'm gonna get the pallet forks on and try to move some of this stuff out of the way. All right, we'll start with these bridge timbers. This bundle is about 4,100 pounds. It's no lightweight bundle, and we're gonna tuck it back here. All right, I forgot I have a second bundle of bridge timbers over there. If I can get under them, there's no blocks under that one, but it's bundled. I'm gonna bring them over here. Here's the final after look for today. I got this whole slope graded down. Looks pretty good to me by eyeballing it. I forged ahead after the last check-in, and I did this area right up here. I was going to quit at this area, but I went ahead and used a little bit more of the CA6 here to bump this out. So next time I'll just finish that little bit up. I'll probably have to order another load of stone. But wow, big difference. Check this out. I'm gonna try lifting those. I don't know if forks are gonna hold or not. They might crack in the middle. That's what I'm worried about. But man, big progress. Big progress. And I got a swale right here that I had to put in here because, you know, I can't really regrade that whole thing because it's only a few inches of lift by the barn. So I got this swale here by design so the water runs off of this thing, but looking really good.